who's ready for another garden update. We have been really late getting things in this year, but since we seem to have a longer growing season, everything seems to work out in the end. So let me show you what we added today and how things are progressing. So I took some of the green onions that I had been saving. Once the roots start to, get happy, I'm going to take off the dead stuff and give them a hair trim. And we add some chives and some lavender just because I love lavender. And then also some basil and some Italian parsley. My husband has added some cattle wire for all of our cucumbers to grow up on, and they are coming along beautifully. Look at that. I can't believe how much this one cucumber has grown. We've got so many babies. Here we go. These are the purple zebra tomatoes. I think my husband said that through all these plants he counted like 19 today. And the San Marzanos are doing beautifully. I can't wait to start canning these. And look at our squash plant. Look. Oop. Where'd it go? There's another squash. Here's the original one down there. And look at all those blossoms. And this is our Hungarian hot pepper plant. Beautiful. Now these are English cucumbers, and my husband built this frame for them to climb over. And as you can see, they're really latching on. We do have some babies underneath there and lots of blossom. These are the mortgage lifters. They're doing incredible. These have got lots of blossoms. And I forget how many little tomatoes my husband counted on here earlier. Their pepper plants, which are planted underneath our green bean arch, are doing great on this side as well as the other side. But let me show you what's exciting. We're gonna follow this up. Look, they finally met in the middle. And before you know it, it's gonna be full of leaves, flowers, and beans. This is our other alpha cucumber, which you can see we got babies and blossoms. He's gonna try to put a brace up for this one to climb up hopefully this weekend. There's our yellow tomato plants. They're doing fantastic. I think he counted 10 babies. And here is another one of our, that's the sun sugar plant. Another alpha cucumber. The purple reaper, I mean, he has struggled, but he's finally starting to perk up. So fingers crossed on him. And then 2 more pepper plants. And here is one final look at the entire garden with the new raised beds that my husband built and the structures for them to climb on. He did a great job. It's so beautiful. I mean, one of the reasons that we were late getting stuff in is one, we had a pretty cold May, very cold and wet. We were really surprised. And he was trying on his days off, trying to get those new beds built, which we really, really needed. But like I said, fortunately, it seems like at least over the past 3 years, we have had a longer growing season. I mean, we are typically still picking and canning, especially green beans and tomatoes, into the end of October. So fingers crossed that holds true for this year.